Yes, I'm really looking forward to going up to this silver medal 10-kilometer race, which of course from an IAAF point of view is not only prestigious for the country and for the athletics in the country, but also for the IAAF. So I'm looking forward to my first experience outside Lagos in Nigeria, and I'm sure with a very competent team it will be a success, and hopefully the report I send back will be appraised well, and you will be able to continue in the fashion you are and build this event up into an even greater race. My role is purely one of monitoring and seeing and then making recommendations back to the IWF on the standard.
Well, my name is Shaibu. I'm the project production for Western what's happening now is that we started this journey like a couple of years back, and then I started being involved just 4 years ago. And then since then, we've been doing like a small energy where we do it afterwards. Then we started last year and we brought in a huge truck. This was basically just to protect the brand as we're actually finishing up. Now, that was actually the vision to actually say what would happen if we can actually go big, then it goes to gymnastics. So it's actually over 50 countries who are going to actually see this live. We're actually looking forward to it. It's the biggest project. It's actually something that has never been done in Nigeria before, where you actually use the first Africans from the very same region, same area.
I want to thank all the partners in this Okpekpe race for their support so far and their continuous support. For us in Edo State, we want to bring back sports to what it used to be in Edo State. If you trace the history of Nigeria in all sporting activities, no team has represented this country without an Edo indigene. So the Okpekpe race has become something that we just started like that, and it has become a world event. And that was an abandoned community that people thought nothing can come out of it. And a responsible government came and like, can't leave this nature, God-gifted nature, to waste away. And that is how the road came about. And talented Mike came and took advantage. Talented Mike came and took advantage and said, no, this facility cannot be left like that. We have to take advantage of it. And today, Okpekpe race is almost getting its goal level. Now we are in silver. So I want to say almost getting, because with what multi-choice, right, has put in place, with what I've just heard, with all the facility that will be beaming this year's event live, and with the technical people around, and with what I already know that have been put in place, it's obvious that we'll get to the gold. And the kind of people that have registered and are already arriving shows that this year's event will be more than what the participation will be more than that of last year, and the quality of participants will be more than last year. Our focus is to get back our #1 position in Nigeria and help Nigeria to win medals each time we leave to represent this country. And we are also, beyond Okpekpe race, embarking on a lot of renovation and building of new stadia for developing sports in our state. We are building 20 stadiums across the 18 local governments in this state. And that was awarded, the 20 stadium was just awarded yesterday. And the main bowl of Samuel Oguma Stadium has since been awarded and is already receiving facelifting and upgrading. We are building it to be a world-class stadium that can host not only national sport but international sport. I actually started my training 3 months ago. I'm going to run with the professionals this time. And I was told by Mike that if I'm running with professionals, that means the facility you are putting in place will be monitoring me also. So we are seriously in sport to bring back the lost glory and to have this raw talent being transformed into national and international talent. Last year I ran for cancer. This year I'm running against violence against women and illegal migration. Because some of this sport, beyond being sport, we use it also to sensitize and create awareness for people to understand why certain things has to be fought to stand still. So I want to thank you and to say we as a state will continue to invest in our sporting facilities, upgrade them to international standard so that all the labels that we need to earn, we will continue to earn them and develop sport in our state.